Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna teach you or show you how to change your account username on your Windows 11 operating system. Let's get started. I have this username account, and I want to change it for some other name, for example ITC Tutorials. So how can I do it? Let's see. Just follow me, friends. Type Control Panel right here. Then select Open. Once the control panel open, you can see this section, which is the user accounts. Under the user accounts, you can also see this option, Change Account Type. Just click on Change Account Type to open. In some cases, you need to re-enter your admin password in order to proceed, if you have a password. Mine doesn't have it. Now, choose the user you would like to change. Mine is this. Click Change the Account Name option. Now type your new account name. Mine is, I just want to give the new username as ITC Tutorials, instead of Infotech Channel. Once you're done, just click the Change Name button right here. You can see here the name of your new account username. Now, I'm gonna close this window. Click on the Windows icon here. In order to see the changes of your new account username here, you just need to restart your computer. Here it is. You can now see here. The name is ITC Tutorials. Once you sign in, and back again to the Windows icon, I can see the new username here has been changed to ITC Tutorials. That's it. How to change your account username on your Windows 11 operating system.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.